Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
I look tired. I did come. This will come from work.
It's called a job.
I know, right? Right. I can see a movie.
Yeah.
Well, they got pizza. Really nice. Today's Friday. Where you going? Got Nathan. Oh, I'm like, where you going? I'll get the ticket. We're gonna see the Woman King with what that lady called? What's my lady name? Viola Davis.
They got medium and large.
Small. You don't got the small?
You got the medium? That's small? No, medium.
So $7? Oh, y'all bugging.
Medium.
What? What do you have? Water.
It's really a different bag, but they got those out as small. It's a little bigger than that, the original one.
That can't be $7. That's crazy.
Small enough to go in the kids box.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Okay, if you like butter, it's that green table over there. You can take as much as you like. Anything else?
What do you have to drink?
There's like maybe mad flavors back there, but there's no ices. The icy machine is off.
But this is what we're seeing. And the popcorn. I don't want no butter. I don't want no butter. God, why she always do that? She always want to help. I'm tired. Time to go home. Just got home from the movies. I am so freaking tired. Like, look at my eyes. I'm so glad I'm off tomorrow because it's 5 minutes till 12. And it's a good movie. Like, it's so freaking dope and a little emotional for me, but it was good. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm about to call it a night. Whew. Alright, so I'm gonna pour. Hello. I have olive oil, apple cider vinegar, and some flour to pour in a container. So I'm gonna do that right now. Like some Dollar Tree. I mean. If you're laughing, nothing make you mad. Not only you give me love, but make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke, it's you gon' lose my light. If you're paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Check it out, love it every day. I'm a dancer, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, days. I feel you do this for you every day. When you call, when it's back on your plate. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. Finished wash. Now I'm just gonna let it air dry. So it's 6:15 now, and I'm about to put the laundry away and put the new sheet on the bed.
I'm like, I realize I can't keep everything in my head.
So this is the vitamin C. Yeah, that's good on my face. I just came out the shower, fresh, clean, nice. Yeah. So.
my juicer came. It's over there. I didn't even open it yet. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I don't want to do nothing else right now. But still, like, sit down and watch some YouTube. I'm watching Tosh Face right now. Cause I watch what's the name, Petite, when I was folding up my clothes. I was watching Tanania before I went in the shower. So I was Tabian the other day. Anisha Adams. She's another YouTuber, Jamaican YouTuber. She actually lives in Jamaica. I think she was born in Canada because she had a Canadian accent. Anisha Adams. Yeah. I wanna go on a vacation, man. I need a trip. I got from Amazon, so this is the name if you're trying to get it. Alright. Good night. It's a rainy day on the Sunday. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm hungry. I never cook. My head is killing me. Not in the mood to cook nothing. I don't know why my head is hurting me so bad, but I have the worst headache right now. I eat this morning. Yeah, I went to the Jamaican restaurant. My name Ochi. I always see, but I never go in there all the time. Oh, it's just 5 o'clock. It just turned 5 o'clock. Yeah, I mean, if you don't know we going on, it hurt me, let me say. So I was not in the mood to put on no stocking cap on all week. And it's a rainy day, so. I was gonna try the pumpkin spice latte from Dunkin' Donuts, but I don't want to stay up, so I think it's better for me to try it on a work day, like when I go to work, I'm tired or whatever. That's the Dunkin' Donuts I was gonna go to, but because the restaurant is right there across the street from me. But now I said never mind. I'll do it a day after go to work. Make more sense. I never really have pumpkin food. I mean real pumpkin, but never had like snacks and stuff before or a drink. They go to the restaurant. I don't know if the entrance is this way or that way. I guess it's both. So we're gonna see. Let me cross. See out we have this big something here. So. Hello, Batman. Oh, they have this thing right here. I didn't see it. But I make them money. Alright. Yeah. This is the entrance. And then of the food, so I'm gonna be hungry bad. Oh, they have drops too. Peanut drops. Alright, I'm sorry. Just 2 beans? Yeah. No, 15. Yeah. I want to the small size. So I order salad on the side. So I never actually order salad on the side. The salad is supposed to come with the food, but so she fill up the food, the salad couldn't fit in there. So she said she would give me on the side. So I said okay. And the lady gonna talk about, but she put in a file paper and I said no. And she asked me one on container and I said yes. And then me and Cheryl tell the girl about charge fees.
That's suspicious.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's weird.
You say I really have to charge fee to put salad in a container? Like, who do that? Like, come on, man. I'm looking at because I'm hungry, you know. I mean, no, why not charge? Like, who charge to put salad in a container?
Eating is in.
And Jamaican people come for it and I do the most. So American people don't do that. Hell no, put that charge put salad in a container. No. food, but it tastes good. And if you don't go to Mount Up, I'm gonna go back there. Watch. I'm gonna go right to my review. Maybe buy stew peas, because the stew peas me didn't want. But I never have the energy, man, to cook. Just my head are gone bad. I'm gonna get some wings. Me hungry bad. Me not lie, me hungry bad. Like, let me see how much I have. Much few wings by sauce. Come here. I'm sure now. American Chinese store. This one I have. Must be 4 wings. Backside and raise the wings. 625 is just wings by itself. That's okay. So this is the fried chicken dash. I'm here editing the video. Yo, I'll be cracking myself up when I'm editing the videos. One thing about me, I'm gonna turn back, okay? That shit was funny. Yeah, everything better when you just cook for yourself, okay? Because people outside just do more sometimes. But from COVID start, they might raise prices. Your wings by itself used to be how much? $3? No. It wasn't I think it was close to $4. It was $4 probably. But it was not no damn $7. So this is how it look. Look at the salad for $4. Like, come on. And then she charged me $1 per container. Like, the food smell good though. So yeah, this was $9 by the way. Yeah.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there.
Where you wanna go?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's lunchtime and I'm going to eat. Hiring, right? Oh, I mean, I'm across the street, but it's drizzling. But it's 3:30. Today is October 24th, and I don't see the rain, but it's drizzling. I'm going to SDK because it's happy hour time, and every time I'm on Instagram, because you know Instagram my ads now. Every time I'm on Instagram always showing the happy hour thing, $3, $6, and $9. So I ain't bring no lunch today, so might as well go. I made a reservation already, so that's my usual time. I usually go on break. That's the Halloween thing.
Reservation for 2:30. Anna K. Thank you for coming. Are you celebrating? No, I'm not on lunch. Yeah.
Anyway, you always got on some fire blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright. Baby, from the day I saw you, I really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you. I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time.
Oh, it's a slider. Let me see how small it is, because if it's really small, let me get another one.
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
Let's try this drink. Ooh, child. Listen. He was not playing with his alcohol. It's good. So I just look up the beef tart. It's raw. It's not even cooked. raw. Hell no. Hell to the no, no, no. Like, who want raw food to eat? Hi.
Got your oysters?
Oh, thank you. That's it. How small the burger is. Look how small the burger is, bro. I'm crying. Like, I need another one. Cause that's not the oyster. That's crazy. I cannot get over how small. And that's the fries. I'm gonna get 4 or 5, y'all.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just better. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, you only fucked your cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any better. Girl, now then, didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that hold me together. Lately, you say you've been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this type. Pull up the skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is.
That burger was good. Oh my god. I don't being the other one because I'm hungry.
The oysters taste really good. Even though they're raw, they taste good. I had oysters before.
Yeah, me want a burger. That's small.
Say what's your price? Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you owe me something.
That was good. I thought doing this more often. No, can I have some water, please?
Sure.
Yeah. And you can bring the bill.
So use the bill?
Yeah.
Still done, right?
Yeah, I'm finished. Thank you. Bring the bill. Let me see what I want. Thank you.
Oh, there's a DJ right here. Got a DJ right here.
Look at the little. Thank you. You too. I am tipsy. I'm tipsy. I'm tipsy. Hold on. Ooh, child. No, sir. It's prepared for Halloween. Oh, man. It's that Grey Goose. I'm feeling that Grey Goose. Alright, see you later. Tomorrow I have to go take out my wisdom tooth. My wisdom teeth. Terrified. People saying it hurts, but everybody don't go through the same pain, okay? So yeah, me afraid. I'm gonna be so happy when it's over, because all 4 of them will come out. All 4 of them. I'm like 6 minutes early. I thought I was gonna be late because the friggin' 8 train. Soon as I go on the 8 train, I like the 9 o'clock train. I like talking about the C train is delayed, so the 8 train is going local. Oh, I hate when they do that. But I made it on time. Thank you, God. I have my oats for breakfast. I drink some lemon water this morning. Yeah, I started it yesterday. Again. Morning, people. Today's the day. I'm gonna go get my wisdom tooth removed. I'm so scared, but I got this. Michelle she came with me, but she parking her car.
3 hours later.
Oh yeah, too much man road me can pick. Oh yeah, this gal love niggas who trick. Oh yeah, but you if you're this shang yang a boss head. Yeah yeah, I east side gun them. My area Grammys them off the runway. Yeah, pop pop, pass space like Pax must be mad man. This a no cracks pan. Boof 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 boof.
I'm really comfortable with you too because y'all should not be seeing me like that. But whatever. It's part of what I'm doing. So yeah. Showing you the good and the bad. Okay? I don't know if I say it in another vlog, but I'm gonna say it right now. Okay, so the first couple hours and I guess the first couple hours, because I didn't take the pills right away when I was supposed to. That's people problem. I'm supposed to take it right away, but I don't know. I was just in pain, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to move. And then I had put the pills on. I left them on the dresser. I don't know why I didn't put them in the bed with me, but yeah. The pain was, it was brutal. And then at one point, the side that was more swollen was the left side. I think it was the left side that was still hurting. One side was cool, and then the other side was still hurting me. So I was like, but it wasn't that bad as I thought it was gonna be, but it was still bad. Okay, but now, girl, happy, glad it's over with. Ooh, child, yeah, I'm done. I'm so happy.